Before creating a new print, the build plate and the feed plate are filled with metal powder. The lever roller then passes across the powder to smooth it. Once a smooth layer of powder has been created, a new part can be loaded into the program. The part can now be rotated or resized to new dimensions and then positioned in the build tray. The part is now ready to be printed. Close the machine lid. Printing is a layer-by-layer process, alternating between layers of binder and powder. Printing takes approximately 1 hour, depending on the size of the part. When the part has finished printing, it may be removed from the printer and placed into the curing oven. The curing process takes approximately 2 hours. After the oven cools, the part can be then removed. Part is now in its very fragile green stage, held together only by binder. The surrounding powder can be removed from the object using a paintbrush. An air duster can be used to remove any remaining powder. The part can now be prepared for the sintering oven. A layer of aluminum oxide is added to the ceramic crucible. Bronze is added to the crucible, and a sacrificial block is placed on top of the bronze. This helps the bronze wick into the part. The part is placed on the aluminum oxide with the peg touching the sacrificial block. Powder is added to the sacrificial block to guarantee connection. The part can now be moved into the sintering oven, where it will be infused with the bronze. In 9 hours, the part can be removed. At this point, the part is ready to be finished. The peg will be removed and the part will be polished to a final product.